Hello, teachers. Right now, all of you have received the mail ID and password from the school for G Suite platform. So, the next step that you have to do is log in using that ID and password so that you will also get such an interface. And here, you go to these dots and click on that. Here, you can see the applications that you are privileged and in which you will click on this classroom icon and you will be taken to the classroom. Right now, I created a class for a demonstration, but how to create a new class? Go to this plus symbol, create or join. Two menus are there, but we want to create a class. So click on create class. Suppose I am going to take class B English. So this must be the format that every teacher should follow. Every teacher will create individual classrooms for every subject. So I am going to take English in second standard B means this must be the name. If it is science in third standard C, then 3C-science. And the subject English. Okay, and this let this room be room number 2 and click on create. If you don't want, then click on cancel. Create. Now the class is being created. Right now you can see my name under teachers. If I want to invite any other teacher for this classroom, I can do it by typing the name here and clicking on invite. And here I am not going to invite any teacher. This is my personal classroom but I want students. So for that, click on this, type name or email address. Now what to do for this step? All of you will receive a link in your WhatsApp group or in your personal email ID, and when you click on that link, you'll be taken to such an interface. You will be able to see such a folder, student users, and right now this is the student users primary folder. Double click on that and you will see so many files. These are the user IDs and the password credentials for primary section. And I am going to add second standard A children, so I'm opening it. If you want, you can download it, but for this time being I just want the user IDs, so I'm just clicking on these and dragging so that all those got selected. Then Control C, so Control C, all those got copied. Now go to this and click on Control V. Okay, see, all the children got added here. This is the easiest method to add or invite students for this class. Okay, and click on invite. So that invitation is being sent. After that, you will be able to see the children in your classroom like this. So this is the first step all the teachers have to complete and check whether any child ID is missed out in your classroom. Thank you.